Hi guys, in this video I'm going to share with you guys how you can try out a demo trade. So even if you don't have real money to try out trade, or you have but you don't want to risk your money, this video is going to show you how you can try out a demo trade without using your real money, without you losing a dem. And then by the end of it, you learn how to trade like a pro, right? And you also learn how to use other types: market order, limit order, OCO, and trailing stop loss, right? You also learn how to set up your leverage, right? And how your profits like P&L works, take profit and loss, right? How it works. So stick with me while I walk you through. First thing we are going to do is click on futures and on MEXC. Please guys, on MEXC, is supported, demo trade is supported only on future trade, okay? Only on futures that you can find it. So let's click on futures. Then here is my future. If you open yours, right, it will definitely show BTC at the top left corner. As like, if you want to select the coin, it will surely show you Bitcoin, because that is the default setting for it, right? Now we are not going to try out a real trade. We are going to try out a demo trade, a trade that you won't use your real money. Rather, you will use a virtual money given to you by MEXC exchange to try out this trade even before starting your main trade. Okay, so if you look by the left, by the right hand corner, there are three dots there close to those two candles. Click on the three dots. Then on the three dots, then as soon as you click on it, this drop down is going to show here, right? So now click on demo trade. This is the page it will bring to you. You say you have 50,000 USDT demo balance. So try demo trading to see how much profit you can earn. Guys, let's give it a try and see how much we could earn. Try now. Now it takes us to this page. Let's give it some time for it to load. So guys, this is how the page looks like, right? Now, just like I said earlier, as soon as you open your future trades, Bitcoin, BTC is one that appears first, right? So if you look by the left middle corner, you'll see Bitcoin. So Bitcoin perpetual 500x, click on it. Let's select a coin we are going to trade. We'll definitely not try out Bitcoin, but before then, we want to let's take a look at the candle for Bitcoin. Let's look at how the market trend is going on Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been down for, okay, this is 15 minutes time, right? So let's change this chart's time to 1 day and see what happens. Click on this drop down after 15 minutes. Click on the drop down so we can adjust the timing. Okay, I guess it's not showing, but I'll come back to that again. So let's click on BTC drop down. Click on it so we can select a coin. Right here, you'll see there are a lot of coins you can try. We have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Sui, and in fact, all your favorite coins are also here. And one good thing about this is that this is a live trade. It is live, but the only difference is that the money you're using for it is not real money. Okay, so let's select Sui. I'm going to select Sui, for example, and now let's also click on this drop down and see if it works. Okay, so this is, Sui doesn't look that real good. Okay, this is the timing we are checking. So let's try out 15 minutes time. It was on 10 minutes, but now let's try out it 1 day. On that 1 day time frame, it was looking good, but it seemed like it want to have a little downtrend. But anyway, it could still have a reverse, right? It could still go up. But now I'm not talking about the candle trading, but rather I'm going to work you out. So now we've selected Sui. The next thing is that we are going to open our order. All right, open an order. So click on open order. It means that our prediction is that SUI is probably open means longing, right? Longing means you predict, like you assume that the market will go up, will have uptrend, right? Why shorting the market, like open short, means that you assume that the market is going to go down trend, right? Like it will fall. All right, guys. So now this is the page is open for you as soon as you click on open, and this is market order. We are currently on market order. That is automatic setting, but we could set it at our own time, right? That is market order. We could try out market order before limit order. Remember, I told you guys we'll talk about market order, limit order, and trigger order, right? So this is the order types. Then this, by this side you see a 20x. This is the leverage, right? So now we can even adjust this leverage to a higher number, because guys, you're enjoying a free money trade. So let's just put it around 150. Oh, let's just put it around this level, 100x, right? So once you're done doing that, you click on confirm, you confirm it, then it takes you to this page. So this page is what is the quantity you want to use. Remember, they gave you 50,000 USDT for this trade, right? If you're using 25%, like 25, okay, let me say this is like 23%. It means that if okay, let me say 30%, you can equally type it 30%. Let me assume that you are giving 10,000 naira, right? But you don't want to use the whole of 10,000 naira to enter the market, right? Now you want to use like 3,000 naira to try it, right? So it means that you're using 30% of 10,000 naira. So that is what it is here. But if you want to use the whole 10,000 naira, for example, you're going to put it to 100%. 100% means that you're using everything, like the whole money that you have in your wallet, right? But for the sake of this, let's just give it a 50% 50% quantity, right, of our money. So once you're done doing that, we have we are going to place our order by opening long, right? So click on open long. Once you confirm your order, you just have to make sure that everything looks good, right? So this is the amount you're using. Price, this is the market price. We are using market order. Then quantity, this is the amount of a coin it will be on SUI, right? Then take profits, then stop loss, and we've then set that up. Now, once we are done with the results, we have to open long. So our order has been filled successfully. Let's scroll down, we'll see our order. So guys, here is our order. Remember, we use a very high leverage. Guys, on your main trades or your real trades, do not try this at home. Do not try it at home, okay? There is no way you are going to use more than highest 50x as a beginner, like more than 20x, even 10x as a beginner for a real trade, right? We are just doing this for the fact that this is just a demo trade, so we don't even mind much. We might do, but we don't mind much, guys. So this is it. The unrealistic, this is our, we already at loss, 70% loss, right? So but we are going to wait. It could reverse anyway. It could reverse. Then this is our position, the amount we use, the amount of USDT we use to enter it. Then our average entering price is around 2.79 something. That is the price we enter on SUI. Then